Hello guys. Most of the people think that artificial intelligence means like robot, human like intelligence or something very complex. But the real truth is that you are already using artificial intelligence in your day-to-day life. Like the famous trend is using a chat GPT for any simple work. What is chat GPT? It is an LLM and it is an artificial intelligence, and it is trained on more ML model, deep learning models, algorithms, and it is made of different algorithms. So it is an LLM and artificial intelligence. We can able to consider LLM as artificial intelligence, but the real truth is that we all are already using LLMs and artificial intelligence in our life without recognizing it. So in this video I am going to explain you all these step-by-step ways uh, uh, to know and to know what is artificial intelligence is in a very simple way. So artificial intelligence or AI is simply about making a machine perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. That means in Hindi we can able to say that कोई सा भी काम जो अम, कोई सा भी मशीन जो ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस के जैसा काम कर सके उसको हम आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस बोल सकते हैं. That means no robot, no sci-fi. If a machine can able to observe something, make decision or solve a problem in a way such that feels intelligence, that is artificial intelligence. Now coming to the difference between the human intelligence versus machine intelligence. So let we discuss about what we do or perform in our day-to-day life. We recognize faces, we understand languages, we make decisions, we learn from our past experience. So the same work can be done by the artificial intelligence, means AI try to copy these abilities but in very limitation and a specific way, because it is not so much advanced to just copy all the things. So just because they can't able to copy because AI don't have its own brain. First of all, it does not able to think, it does not able to understand, it only does what we train. You just get my point. It only perform the tasks on which we are trained it on. So let's take an example of a Google Map. Google Map, what for what tasks we are able to we use Google Map just to get the route. Means we train Google Map in such a way that it gives us the best route. It is also an artificial intelligence, but for what? For a specific Google Map. Coming to the YouTube recommendation or Netflix recommendation, it just get the recommendation, give you the recommendation of the next best video. That is artificial intelligence. What are the limitations? A human like brain, consciousness, emotion, and self-aware. These are the limitations of artificial intelligence. Just to get my point. So now the goals. The goals are so simple: to automate decision making, to reduce human effort, to solve a problem faster. These are the goals of the artificial intelligence. Means we can able it can able to automate decision making, it reduce the human cost, and if effort, it able to solve the problem. That's it, nothing more. Now if the explanation make you sense, that's good sign, um, because clarity matters more than complexity. In the next video we will be able to discuss about the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Thank you guys.